Hello people, I'm Emily. My dad is a gamer. Hello people.
And tell them what we're doing.
I don't know. We're going to make a computer.
Making a computer. Now, this is the second time we've done this because the first time didn't record very well, but I'm going to do an outtakes video, aren't we? Which you can probably see in the link below. Now, we're making Emily a little computer from scratch. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our little processor in the motherboard. So Emily, can you put that in there?
Emily,
Right, no, don't touch the bottom, don't touch the bottom.
Why?
Just the top, because the bottom's careful, and then just push that down. That way, like that. That's it, all done. There we go. And then we need to get our little fan and put a little blob of thermal paste on the top. I don't know how well you can see this, but just a little blob on there. That's probably too much.
A little blob on there.
Little blob on there, yeah. And then you put the cooler on and wiggle it around a bit. Say wiggle.
Say wiggle.
And then we push these pins in.
Can I do it?
Oh, hang on.
Can I do it?
Daddy's not done that very well. I'll do that one. And then Emily can do this one. Right, push that in then. That's it. You did it!
Emily, do it again.
Do it again then, press it. That one. All done? Yep, all done. And then we need to hook the little fan up onto this one. So can you put that on there? There we go.
Yeah.
And then we'll put this to one side a minute. And get our nice pink painted case that I made for her. Well, I didn't make it, I painted it. Take the lid off.
You didn't make it.
I didn't make it, but I painted it for you, didn't I?
Ah.
And then we have to get this bit, the motherboard. What's up?
And
And we're going to put the motherboard in. Put that in there. Push it in place. Like...
push.
No, don't push the whole thing. Don't push the whole thing. Let go. I need you to get me a black screw. Find the black screws for Daddy. Just one. Just one. Just one, darling. Thank you. Good girl.
Why only the black?
Because they're the special screws for this bit, sweetheart. Or the black
Another
ones.
special?
In a minute. Let me just... Do you want to do it? You screw it in. That's it. Good girl. You did it. Hold on. Another one. Good girl.
Can Emily do another one?
Yeah, you can do this one.
I don't want to.
You don't want to?
I do.
Right, go on then. Screw it. That's it. Keep going. There we go. Another black one.
Not the white one.
No, just the black ones. Good girl. Wait. Let me get it started for you. Let go. Right, now you do it. And you put the screw in. And there's one more. One more black one. Thank you. Just let Daddy do this one because it's right in this back corner and it's a bit tricky.
Can I did all of them one because
Yeah. Right, and then learning from past mistakes, I'm going to hook up some of these connectors now because when I did it before, I put all the bits in first and couldn't reach to get everything. So we'll just put the connector for the fan at the front.
These are little more.
You need what? Oh, you don't need that.
Again.
What have we got? We've got the sound. And then the little connectors for the power buttons and that at the front, which normally you'd have the instruction manual that tells you where to go, but I've just got it all written down here, so bear with me 1 minute.
Where should we put the white ones?
The white ones, we don't need the white ones yet. Reset switch. Plus.
Believe this is the white one.
Power switch.
Now we're the white one. Na, 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 na. Now we're the
Careful,
white
don't nudge things, darling.
one.
Emmy.
That one.
No, leave it alone, Let Daddy do it,
I
Emily.
got it. Now we need the white ones. To do this one. Look,
No,
people. Look, people.
What is it?
I don't know.
That one's a graphics card.
Graphic card.
Good girl. Right, now we need our memory.
Where's the memory?
This one's, Bash, think that's the memory.
No.
Show the people the memory. Show the people.
This people.
Yeah, those people.
Look, people, that's memory.
Right, now give it back to Daddy. And the memory, we've got 2 sticks. And everyone's going to tell me off for picking things up wrong and holding circuit boards, but I don't care. And there's 2 slots just here. And they just click in there. They only go in one way round. Right, are you going to click something for me in a minute? I need you to click it for me.
Why?
Press that. No, touch that one. Click that. Ready? Click.
And one more.
One more. That's it. Wait. Ready? Click. And that's that one done. And then I've got a connector for the hard drive that I'm going to put in now because you can't reach it later. So we'll click that in now. Just put that there. And we'll get our, what's this one, Emily?
Screwdriver card.
A what?
Screwdriver.
A screwdriver card.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put the screwdriver card in. And that just clicks in. Are you going to click it for me?
Yep.
Yep. No, this bit. Click.
Now
And then,
can I show them?
it's just a piece of metal, darling. You don't need to show them that. Now you don't need to. You can screw it in. You want to screw it with the screwdriver? Yeah. Give it to Daddy. No, give it to. Got it.
No.
Right.
No.
Yes.
I don't want to. I want to screw it in the other one.
Yeah, you screw it with this one. Let Daddy just get it started for you. There you go. Right, screw it in.
No, this one.
No, you want to screw it with that one?
I like that one.
You like that one. Go on then. Other way. That's it. Good girl.
Now we'll need some of this again.
You don't need any more of that.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't. Put it back in the bag. Put it back in the bag. Right. Can you screw that in? Leave the screw. Screw that in. That's it. Done. One more.
I have it.
You do that one then.
You screw it?
Me screw it. Why don't you do it?
Or B?
Just
me,
let me
just
get it
me.
started. You need to. There you go.
Done.
It's not done. Let me just tighten it all the way up.
Slowly
Put this. Oh, you've dropped it. Go and pick it up. Pick it up quick. It's all the way down there. Look. You see it? That's it. Right there. She's got it. Oh. Come back.
I got it.
You've got it, people. Show the people. There you go.
Screwdriver.
Oh dear. Quick, go and get it.
I dropped.
Right, come back.
I dropped it again.
You're doing that deliberately now. Come here. Put it on the table. We need... No, Emily, no. No. Come on. Good girl. There we go. Right, tell the people what this bit is.
Don't know what.
What's this bit?
I'll tell him.
You tell them then. What is it? What is it?
I'll tell them all.
Tell them all then. Tell them what it is.
Screwdriver.
That's the Scoopy drive.
Scoopy.
This bit's the Scoopy. This is a power supply that Emily calls a Scoopy drive. Now bear with us 1 second.